how to change a bit on your Makita impact driver. Now this is just a bit holder, but it'll work with whatever bit you have in your Makita impact driver. Place the impact driver down like this. It's always easier to do when you're like this, when you're starting out. And this little column here is what you want to pinch. So pinch this column and then slide it forward. So pinch, slide forward. You see that going forward? Slide it forward, and then that will allow you to take out the bit like that. Get your new bit, pinch the same column, slide it forward, put the bit in, release, and it's stuck. Now you do need a bit with this hex cut out here. Otherwise, you may need to watch this other video here where I show you how to use bits what don't have the hex cut out. But if yours has got a hex cut out, push forward, slip it in, release, and it's now stuck. So hopefully that helps you out how to change a bit on your Makita impact driver. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.